Here comes the tutorial of Daisy hairband. It looks great when paired with clothes for photos. The flowers are crocheted together, saving the sewing step. The overall difficulty is 1 star. Crochet one for yourself or your good friend. Use 4 strands of yarn and a 2.0 crochet hook. Start in a ring. In the first round, crochet 12 single crochet stitches. Finish with a cell street to the first street, then cut the thread. Change thread and insert hook into first stitch. Bring the thread over and make 9 chain stitches. Pull through the second stitch. Continue to make 9 chain stitches. Pull through the next stitch. Repeat this group of patterns. Complete the first flower, second flower, and crochet to the 4th set according to the pattern. And the 5th group, start with 4 chain stitches. Take out the first flower, find the 5th chain stitch, and hook a slip stitch. Finish a set of 5 chain stitches, then hook for chain stitches. Same as the next stitch, don't pull up. Continue to stand up for chain stitches. Continue to connect the petals and hook a slip stitch. Then stand up for chain stitches. Complete this group of patterns. This is the method of connecting the petals. Continue to complete the remaining patterns. The number of petals is determined by your needs. The rule of connection is to leave 4 empty stitches. 4 petals. Start to hook the ribbon. Start with 3 chain stitches. From the first stitch, hook 4 unfinished long stitches. Pass the hook through all loops. Then, start 50 chain stitches. Start with the 5th petal from the right. Hook a single crochet stitch. Add 3 chain stitches. Continue to connect the 2nd petal. Single crochet stitch and 3 chain stitches. Connect a circle according to this pattern. For the last petal, finish the single crochet stitch and draw it through the 2nd to last stitch of the ribbon. Finally, chain 1 stitch and cut the thread. The 2nd ribbon is done. Just connect it directly to the main body. The daisy hairband is done.